everybody, I'm Kaye. Welcome to my homestead in Tennessee. If you're new here, I am on a little over 9 acres, about half of which is wooded. I'm on a hill, and so I have developed gardens wherever there's a little bit of flat space and the sun is going over. So if you're interested in building a sustainable homestead at an older age like me, I hope you'll subscribe, click the bell for notifications, scroll down and click all so you won't miss anything. Now today, I have one of my sorority sisters from college in Nashville said she does not want her freezer. Even if I don't need it, I'm gonna go get it and I'll have a freezer and I can give it to someone else, or you know, it will get used somehow or other. So I've solicited my friend Randy, who's been helping me on the homestead, and we're gonna head over to Nashville and pick up a freezer. So let's go. There is a time when a cockroach or a mouse or even a snake, for sure a snake, good heavens, I'm just seeing a whole bunch of cobwebs. Wow. Okay, so I picked up this piece of cardboard because I don't have a moving blanket and we're probably gonna lay it down. And when you have a refrigerator or freezer, you know, the Freon gets all messed up when you lay them down, and so then you have to stand them up for a few days before you try to turn them on. So just FYI, I'm sure you probably know that. I'm still learning. That's the whole point of me sharing my channel, is you get to see all the things that I didn't know and that I'm learning, and maybe it saves you some trouble. Anyway, I picked this up because it's a nice big piece of cardboard and big old cockroach runs out in here. So, you know, obviously the door is open, bugs. I mean, the cats do a pretty good job of keeping the mice out of here now, but bugs, I mean, come on. This place is full of crickets and who knows what else. So you just have to roll with the punches, and I've learned a lot about that since I've been here. Oh my gosh, so many things have happened that, well, you know, my sister dying, you know, a worker here died. I mean, you know, you have to really buck it up. We're in a crunch time in our country and in our world, and we have to be strong. We have to be a light for others and an inspiration. If we can find it within ourselves to crank up that vibration and inspiration, we have to do that, and I am trying to do that for all of you. It's been a very hard year, and you just don't get over losing your sister, you know. I know there's stink bugs in here. I'm not worried about them. Cockroach, you know, but see, I have to put it inside my truck because it'll blow out on the freeway. You know what? This is the first time I have backed out of my garage without this big pile of wood on the driveway. You saw in my last video, I hope you did anyway, that we moved everything yesterday off the driveway. There's nothing on the driveway. Can you imagine? You've been seeing it all piled up with plants or wood or pots or junk for like a year and a half. Oh my gosh, why didn't I use that cedar when I first got it? Well, I didn't. You know, you make mistakes, and that's one of them. So I gotta hit the road, seriously. Wow, doesn't that look great with no wood sitting there? Love it. Okay, that was a little stressful. Yeah, when I was driving over, I came close to rear-ending a guy because this guy was too close to the truck in front of him, which didn't give him much room to stop, and that guy stopped, and then this guy in front of me suddenly threw on his brakes. So did I. But he realized he was going to run into that guy, so he went off that way. Or maybe he went off that way because he realized I was going to run into him. So, but I had traffic coming this way, so I got over a little bit this way, and luckily my brakes, you know, it grabbed that initial grab, and then it must be the automatic brake, you know, it grabbed harder the second time, and I stopped. So I was really lucky. God is great. Would hated to have had that happen today. Oh my gosh. So anyway, you see, you can't see out of the back of that. So there's a refrigerator, a freezer there, and we got it all loaded, and we got it loaded on laying down. And then I looked in her, she was trying to get rid of stuff. Okay, so I looked at, I'm seeing this big easy chair, this red, you know, red, my color. Easy chair there, and I'm going, you know, that, what are you going to do with that? Oh, I want to get rid of it. You know, my son brought it in and I don't have any place to put it. I said, well, I think we might have room for that. So we brought it, and of course it poured down rain all the way back, and I didn't have a tarp or anything to cover any of this stuff. So anyway, my helper Randy is going to meet me here soon, and we're going to, it's too tall to drive in and just park it, I think. Yeah. And so it's got to be unloaded. Okay, here he comes. But I just wanted to point out, hey look, this is late bloomer red, and look how close that is. So, I mean, she gave it to me. I obviously had to take it, even though I don't have room for it in there. I had to take it. So let's get it moved in.
Oh no, it's gonna be closed. Yeah, I believe you're right again.
Yeah, I do kind of have an eye for that.
You do, you've got a real good eye.
I don't...
No, not on this.
Yeah,